Top 5 Best Credit Cards of 2024 for Shopping. Hey, savvy shoppers and credit card enthusiasts! Welcome back to CreditWise USA, your go-to channel for all things credit. Today, we're diving into the top 5 best credit cards for shopping in 2024. Whether you're eyeing that extra cash back or hunting for points to fund your next adventure, we've got the perfect picks for you. So grab your notepads and let's get started. 5. Discover It Cash Back. Imagine this, you're shopping and earning money while doing it. With the Discover It Cashback card, you get a nice $200 back after you've spent $1,500 on purchases in just the first 3 months. It's like getting paid to shop. Plus, every few months, the things you can earn 5% cash back on change. Think of it as a shopping adventure where you're constantly finding new treasures. And for everything else, you still get 1% back. The best part? It doesn't cost you anything extra to own this card because there's no annual fee. 4. Capital One Venture Rewards Credit Card. Now, for those who love to travel or dream about their next vacation while shopping, the Capital One Venture Card is like your trusty travel buddy. Spend $4,000 in the first 3 months and bam, you're rewarded with 75,000 miles. That's a lot of travel miles. Every purchase gets you 2 miles for every dollar, and you can use those miles not just for travel, but for gift cards or even as statement credits. It's like saving up for your dream trip with every purchase. There's a $95 annual fee, but with all the miles you're racking up, it's like the card pays for itself. 3. Citi Premi Card. Foodies, road trippers, and jet setters, listen up. The Citi Premier Card gives you a hefty welcome bonus of 80,000 points when you spend $4,000 in the first 3 months. And when you use it for groceries, gas, dining out, or booking flights, you earn 3 times the points. Everything else still gets you 1 point per dollar. There's a $95 annual fee, but think of all the points you can use for your next culinary adventure or road trip. 2. American Express Gold Card. For those who appreciate the finer things in life, like dining out at top-notch restaurants or shopping for gourmet ingredients, the American Express Gold Card is your golden ticket. Right off the bat, you can earn 60,000 points by spending $4,000 in the first 6 months. When you dine out or shop at U.S. supermarkets, you earn 4 times the points, making every meal and grocery haul even more rewarding. Yes, there's a $250 annual fee, but with the amount of points and perks you get, it's like treating yourself to a fancy dinner or two. 1. Chase Sapphire Preferred Card. And finally, our top pick for shoppers and adventurers alike, the Chase Sapphire Preferred Card. Imagine starting off with 60,000 bonus points just by spending $4,000 in the first 3 months. Whether you're dining out at the newest restaurant in town or booking your next getaway, you earn 2 points for every dollar spent. And for everything else, you still earn points? With a $95 annual fee and all these points waiting to be used on travel, dining, or even shopping. It's like unlocking a world of possibilities. And there you have it, folks, our top 5 credit cards for shopping in 2024, each with its own perks and bonuses designed to make your shopping sprees and everyday purchases more rewarding. Whether you're a traveler, a foodie, or just looking to get more from your purchases, there's a card here for you. Thanks for tuning in to CreditWise USA. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more credit tips and tricks. Until next time, shop smart and spend wisely.